this case as an Amazon warehouse deal. I mean, you know, they're also good deals, don't get me wrong, but every single one of the standoffs were stripped out. So thankfully I had enough to replace them, so we're gonna continue. Alright, don't want to go too crazy with all the cable management because I might need to change things as this build kind of stays together, but we'll see what happens. It's only got a 64 gigabyte SSD in it. I'm just going to put Windows on it. This PC is solely going to do nothing but mine. And there she is. Put those in there. Now, I have to wait a few days for a graphics card. For you guys, only have to wait a few seconds. But I'll kind of go over what we got going on here. Right now I have a i5 9400 in there, 16 gigabytes of RAM, which was all pulled from a Dell Alienware PC. I got a, unfortunately, really cheap motherboard, a H310, as you saw in the picture before, and this deep cool cooler, which I think will be fine for it. Had to throw some fans in here because we didn't have any in the front or in the back on this one, because again, this case was an Amazon warehouse deal. And I did put a 750 watt power supply in here. So now, hopefully, in a few days, I'll have a pretty cool graphics card. It's here. I just went and picked it up. Haven't even opened it yet. My wife will be mad at me for using a kitchen knife, but that's okay. It's okay. Open that later. Yeah. Okay. I don't know if I can do it this way. We're gonna try. Okay. We're done. There we go. Holy shit. It's huge. Oh my god, it's so heavy. What the balls? Holy shit. Guys, it's so heavy. So yeah, this is my main PC, and couldn't resist not putting the 3090 in here. So yeah, it's in here. I think I'm gonna put my 2080 Ti in the mining rig. Let's do that. Look at that, all pretty. Oh yeah. Greatest design ever. As a general rule of thumb, I say never ever run a script that you find on the internet on your computer, because it's normally pretty bad. But this gentleman here, Chris Titus, he's a YouTuber and he does some really cool stuff I've seen. So I figure I'm going to test out his script here that's supposed to kind of debloat Windows and whatnot. I'm going to try that out and see how it works. So let's see. Alright, anyways, what we want to do here is if you just kind of go right here, you can hit copy to clipboard, this little button right there. And we should go into PowerShell, right click, I guess we'll go as admin. Put that there, that'll go there. What is it, can I control V here? Yes I can, there we go. Let's see what happens. Boom, there's this lovely little thing. Since this is only going to be for mining, I kind of just want to tone it down. You can select all sorts of things here to get rid of. So click it, it goes away, or you click it, it installs. It'll tell you what up here, this is all the stuff. And these should get rid of everything else. So let's try essential tweaks. Just to show you real quick, we did that one option and it pops up, lets you know everything's completed, and it just kind of shows you everything there that was done. Again, I'm just doing this to kind of test it. But yeah, it's awesome. Mess around with it. This is pretty cool. Just to show you guys, I buttoned it up actually, you know, switched the fans, whatever around, put the radiator with the fan here so that way it's getting that out of there. Took the one other fan, added it up top. But nonetheless, this is primarily right now just a mining rig, just so I can kind of see what it's like. But everything I did with the Chris Titus Windows 10 debloat truly worked wonderful. However, NiceHash has an operating system that you can download that you actually just put on a flash drive. So whenever I want to use it and to mine, I throw it in there, starts mining. That's it. You really don't even need a monitor. It's pretty phenomenal. Let me know if you want me to actually do a video on how to set one up, because it's really, really easy. But that's what I'm actually going to be going with. I'm actually just going to put this into my basement somewhere where it's nice and cool, and I'm going to let it mine away. See what it does, I guess. Why not? You know what I mean? But just wanted to say thanks. It's done. And but otherwise, guys, take care.